Yay, hooray, it's done. Oh, I really should put something cute on the front. Anyhow, I got Addie's home ec curriculum all done today. Let me show you what I did. So basically, I came up with the topics that I wanted to cover for her home ec course because there's not really homeschool curriculum for home ec. So, which is fine because that is where I shine, right? All the home classes and everything. So I just basically, I made a list of the topics. So the topics are sewing, nutrition, cooking, budget, design, household, and food storage. And I think I'm going to add gardening to it because I got thinking, I think I want to add gardening to it. We're kind of harvesting our garden more right now, but next spring we can work on planting and stuff. And we do have a hydroponics set and some stuff like that. So we will probably talk about that a little bit more. But so all I did was go on Pinterest, did a search, and I just copied some pictures off Pinterest. Now this isn't for sale. This is just for my home use. So it's the same thing as if I was going to refer to Pinterest for every single thing that we did. I'd go click on Pinterest, follow it along on my phone or tablet or whatever, and we do the projects, right? I just don't want to have to do that every time. I don't want to depend on internet and everything all the time. So I wanted printed copies. So this isn't, like I said, this isn't for sale or anything. This is just for my records for me and the girls of what we're planning on doing. So for that purpose, I just downloaded the pictures or copy and pasted the instructions into a Word document, and then I printed them out so that we had them, we knew. So for example, this is some sewing basics. These are pictures and things that I got from different sites. So these are some of the sewing projects we're gonna do. There's a little pattern for the frog. There's a little dress pattern. This was a free download for that dress pattern. Apron patterns. This is a little bandana quilt. Sorry, let me tilt this down a little bit. Let's see if I can. Oh, there we go. Now you just see half of my face. That looks weird. There. Okay, well, it is what it is. So anyhow, and then we have the nutrition stuff. I just printed off things like charts and stuff off Pinterest that were really cool, that I thought is some great stuff, great educational visual learning aids, right? The next one is cooking. So this was my list that I came up with. What's not backwards? I might have to flip the video right. We'll find out because today is the first day. Today is day one in my life. Thanks for sticking with me. It's been a long but productive day, and it's only 5:40. So this is the cooking stuff that I personally wanted to make sure we covered. So we have, homemade bread, cinnamon rolls, pasta, soup, sauces, skillet or one-pan meal, cookies. Those were like some recipes and stuff I wanted to make sure the girls learned how to make. Then we have different types of cooking techniques. So frying, baking, grilling, steaming, broiling, sauteing, boiling and broiling, and Dutch oven. And then over here, we've got ways to cook potatoes, ways to cook eggs, and then cooking meats and dairy, things like homemade cheeses, and then vegetables and fruits, kind of like things like, and at my house, we do this a lot, but we have artichokes a lot. A lot of people don't know how to cut an artichoke. We just had some yesterday, so we showed the girls how to do it. Oh, my washer is super loud all of a sudden. And then this is some substitutions that you can do. These are some measurements. Some of these didn't, I think I need to replace my toner. Some of them didn't print out amazing. How to check for meat doneness. And then we have some of my favorite recipes of the things that I wanted to make sure the girls, some are my recipes and some are ones that I got from Pinterest. Making pasta, different types of pasta, chicken pot pie soup, and some of these ones, like I asked the girls, I said, we're gonna do this recipe. what, like soup. I said, I'm going to teach you how to make soup. What kind of soup do you want to? And I opened my Pinterest board and I let them pick a recipe. There's about eggs. Okay, and then budget. Dave Ramsey stuff. We'll kind of talk about that with them. And, oh, you know what I didn't print out is I have a list. I need to print that out. It's still up on my computer. Of games that teach budgeting. So things like Monopoly, Life, Farkle even, because you're adding up the values. And then I have one of these for each of the girls, their little saving chart. This is a free download. And then for design, we have, again, just all these cool little charts. Some of these didn't print out super clear, and I think they're probably just because they were smaller and I was printing them full page. So this is just like interior design, tips and tricks. Also, I mean, all of these were saved in my Pinterest account. These are colors that coordinate and go together. Color psychology. All these are in my my Pinterest. So if you do want to follow me, you can just search my name, Jody Martin, JODEEMARTIN, and these are all in my boards. So feel free to go find them if you see something that you want. But like I said, I'm not selling any of this. This is just what we're using. So these were just some really cool little charts that I found relating to interior design. Okay, so let me skip down. Then we have household. I really wanted to find some charts on like cleaning tips and organizing tips, but that was really hard to find. I mean, I know I can make some, but ain't nobody got time for that. So this is a laundry stains. This one printed out so blurry, but basically it's a 28-day spring cleaning challenge. This is like house plans. So I want to teach, I love house plans. I want to teach the girls how to read them and stuff. This is a cleaning checklist, more house plans, more a cleaning schedule, more house plan. All right, food storage. So for the food storage section, the only thing I have in here, this is my food storage checklist. That basically it's, you know, so you can look at your food storage and know how many months supply you have of everything. We will be doing like some canning and we'll be doing some food storage stuff, but there's not, I have my book that I wrote on food storage and preparedness, so we'll probably just use that as a reference and not worry about printing everything out for that, because I do that all the time and the girls are kind of pros at that. They're used to that. So yay, that was my last task of the day. Super excited. Time to make dinner and kick back and relax.